puppies took my bathing suit. I want it back. Babe, I'm gonna show you this video tomorrow. He's ripping it apart though. Do you like it, puppies? Puppy-roo. Speak. Speak. Puppies. Hey. Hey, you. Speak. I'm gonna get it from you. This is my dog playing with my bathing suit top, and he won't give it back to me. Here, let me take it. Ow! Give me this. Give me it. Now what are you gonna do? It's right here. What are you gonna do? You gonna hop up in bed? Come on. Come get it. Aw, man, he got it. Come on, puppies. I'm gonna get it from you. I'm gonna get it. Hey! Do you enjoy taking my stuff and chewing on it? Don't wink at me, little bugger. What? What? Are you just gonna stare at me and eat my bathing suit up? Speak. Speak if it's yes. Speak.
Yeah.
Come on. No bark. No bark. Puppies. Puppies. Cry. Puppies. Puppies, look at me. Get the bathing suit. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get the bathing suit. There's Puppies. I tried to take my bathing suit and now he's guarding it for his dear life. I'm gonna try to take it again. Let go, Puppies. Hey, Puppies. That's my dog for you. Eating my bathing suit. Tugging on it.
That guy needs to be shot too.